Hello, this is an algebraic question. So we have to factorize this algebraic expression. And to do this, what we first need to do is to collect like terms. Look at it. The unknown variables in this particular problem are x, a, b, x, a, and b. They are the unknown variables. And to make this work easier for us, you clearly observe that if you pick this first and second term, 3 will be common. Yes. If you pick this, you pair this and this, 5a will be common. But it could be done better if we could rearrange in terms of x. How? So we rearrange as 3x. The next element that has x is what? Is plus 5ax. Beautiful. Then having done that now, you are left with what? Plus 9b, then plus 15ab. That's beautiful. So now, by pairing them together, we have 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So pair them 2, 2. So we pick this first 2, we pick this last 2. That is, we have 3x plus 5ax, now plus what? 9b plus 15ab. Now to do the pairing, what next? Now, what is common here? You have x is common. Okay, if x is common, divide 3x by x, you have what? You'll be having what? 3 left. Then plus. Divide 5ax by x, you're having what? 5a left. That is when x cancels x, you have 5a. Then you have plus outside here. So what is common between this and this? B is common because b is here, b is here. And 3 can also go. So we pick 3. Having picked 3, we also pick b. So you open the brackets. Now, if you divide 9b by 3b, b will cancel b, 3 in 9, that's 3, plus, if you divide plus 15ab by plus 3b, b will cancel b out, be having 15a all over 3. So 3 in 15, you have 5, you have a left here. So you observe closely that what you have in each of the brackets are the same. You have 3 plus 5a, 3 plus 5a. So that implies combine those one outside the bracket, pair with those one in the brackets. You pick this x plus 3b, close the bracket, and pick one of these. 3 plus 5a. So that is the solution to the problem. So do well to click on the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be notified if you are just joining us. And if you have been here before, give a thumb up, share, like, and comment. God bless you. Bye.